Let's analyze together International Consolidated Airlines Group. But before that, guys, remember to read the disclaimer right here in the video description below. I gotta tell you guys, we are talking about making new highs very soon with this stock, and actually we are nearly before the pandemic thing that all started a while ago. So obviously, guys, this is completely insane because we're talking about a rebound of more than 200%, including the dividend, of course. And the net income, is the best aspect with this stock. If we go to the net income, you can clearly see has been performing over time. Actually, let me unload the net income because in this case we only have semi-annual data. The thing here is like look at the losses that we experienced back in June 2020, and we're talking about like a minus 3.66 billion, and this is probably probably not bad for 100%. One of the reasons the stock like went down like crazy is like minus 75%, completely exceptional situation obviously. And now is completely different story because we are talking about positive net income that was reached back in December 2022, and then the rest of the quarters, very good performance in that sense. The best one in December 2023, 1.72 billion. Remember, guys, that normally the price action after a situation like this, it needs time, so investors, they get confidence again in this stock, and this is what happened. Right now it's rallying because now they see the data is really good. It's like we have positive net income improving every quarter, maybe not the last quarter, but with the expectation that we have here is the most important aspect. What's going to happen in the next earnings, we're gonna see it very soon. And actually, let's go to the forecast to understand the possible scenarios that we have here in this stock. So we have 26 analysts, and then we have an average of more than 12%, the estimate, and this is price action estimates and based on these analysts. And then we have like a most optimistic one, more than 58%, and the most pessimistic one, minus 34%. So we don't have EPS forecast. Listen, this is the problematic thing that we have right now. The trading view doesn't offer EPS forecast right here, but at least, we have the revenue data of the past, and we can clearly see that it's improving over time, but we don't have much data, but only just forecasts. So obviously the situation here is like, if we have very good data, if we have another quarter, for instance, above 900 million, that's going to be positive. If we make something better than December 2023, it's going to be even better, So obviously we have to compare the last quarters with the quarters seen back between 2018 and 2020. This is important to understand the situation because we are nearly around those prices. If we want to see the stock above 5 euros in this case, we need to see better numbers in that sense. And the best number is seen back in December 2018 is 1.47, So obviously this is very similar number to December 2023. If we see that number again, there's a very good opportunity, that the stock will continue to go up around those numbers, about 4.6, even 5. It could happen, Obviously, we have something about 2 billions. It's gonna be like above $5 or 5 euros in that sense, probably. So this is the situation with this stock. Let's also go to decisionals to understand exactly how it's been performing the stock over the last year. So we're gonna take data from 2017 till today, and you can clearly see 2024. It was the best year of the stock, more than 100%. The worst year in the last 8, we're talking about like 2020, obviously minus 66%, and then 2022 minus 22%. So actually, we have very good years in this stock in the last 8. Only 2 bad years, exceptional situation, obviously, and the best year 2024. The key question here is gonna be 2025 the best year ever of the last decade in this stock? Leave your comments below about your opinions, and also remember to subscribe to Trading ST to watch more content like this. Thank you very much, guys.